Hello CSS enthusiasts, welcome back to Credit. I am Krishna Sharma and today on day 4 we are diving deep into the CSS box model. Subscribe if you are ready to master the art of styling with precision. In this first part we will focus on understanding content and padding in the box model. So, first we will recap from day 3. A quick recap from our last video where we explored CSS properties and the essentials of the box model. If you haven't seen it yet, catch up to stay in the loop. So, first introduction to the box model. The box model consists of 4 layers: content, padding, border and margin. Today we are focusing on content and padding, the core building blocks of every element. So I want to show you the box model in the HTML file. So first we will make HTML file and then a CSS. For CSS I will give a name C style. So first we will, with the power of Emmet, make a CSS file, and here I will write box model 1, and here I will give a div with a class name hello, and if I link the file of CSS, and in the CSS if I write hello, and here hello, I want to give a height 200 pixel and width 200 pixel and color, background color blue. So if I show you this, you can see this is our box hello. So if I inspect this and show, so this is a box model, you can see this is our box model with this is a content, padding, border and margin. So today we will focusing on this content and padding. So I hope you are getting this is a content, this is padding. So here I am not going to give a padding, but let's see. So next is content layer. The content layer represents the actual content of the element. It includes text, images or any other content you place within the element. Let's dive into the example to understand how the content works. So if I give in the content, if I write anything like hello, so hello is content in the div. So here you can see hello is coming here. So if I change the color of because it is not visible to you, if I write color white, you can see here the hello is visible. I hope you are getting this. So let's move to next. In this example we are creating a box with a specified width and height and a light gray background. So background is changed because we used a background blue. So let's move to next. So next is padding layer, our next topic. The padding layer is the space between the content and the border. It provides a internal spacing within the element. Let's add padding to our previous example. So if we want to add a padding, we will just write padding and give anything in any unit. So like we will giving a 20 pixel padding. So here we'll write padding in 20 pixels. So here the padding is here. So if I say our content is coming some after gap, so here you can see this is our padding. I hope you are getting this is our padding. So if I increase this padding with 120 pixel per box, only box is 200 pixel, so the padding is here. I hope you are getting this is our padding, so big. So let's give the padding 20. Now we added 20 pixels of padding to our box creating space between the content and the border. I hope you are getting this. Visualizing content and padding. Let's visualize the content and layers together. The total size of the box is now affected both the content and the padding. So now our box size will be the 220, because our first height and width will be for the 200 pixel, and we added a 20 pixel of padding, so total box size will be 220 pixel. I hope you are getting this. So as you can see, the content layer is inside and the padding layer is surrounded it. The combination of determine the overall size of our box. So if you understanding the content and padding layer is making sense, hit the like button and share your thought in the comments. Subscribe for more daily CSS insight. In part 2 we will explore the border layer. Stay tuned. Thanks for joining me on this CSS journey. I am Krishna Sharma from Credit signing off. Keep coding, keep designing, and I will see you in the next video.